wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best meatloaf pans. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Walfos silicone baking set requires no preparation. It can withstand temperatures ranging from below 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees, so it can go straight from the freezer to the oven. A rigid bottom allows air to circulate and keeps meat from sticking. It's made of food-grade materials and cools and releases quickly. However, it can be damaged by sharp utensils. At number 9, while we aren't suggesting that single-use items are the best option, if you need something you can give away or travel with, then the Dobi disposable aluminum might be an acceptable choice. Just remember to wash each thoroughly before recycling. They work well for camping and are useful for freezing meals, but they're not very environmentally friendly. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Fat Daddio Pro doesn't have a non-stick coating, but it doesn't transfer metal flakes either. It's a reliable option not only for meatloaf, but holds up well for casseroles and bread too. It's made from anodized aluminum and will fit in select air fryers. This is an environmentally friendly choice that offers long-term durability. However, it needs to be washed by hand. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for meatloaf pans, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the USA Pan Bakeware Aluminized Steel offers commercial-grade durability and ample space at 10 inches long. It's crafted from 65% recycled steel and features a corrugated surface that provides reliably uniform cooking. It's made in the United States and backed by a limited lifetime guarantee, but it is hard to clean thoroughly. Moving up our list to number 6. The Wilton Perfect Results has everything you need for an evenly cooked meal each time you use it, including an all-steel construction designed to not warp and a non-stick surface for effortless removal. It's dishwasher safe for an easy cleanup too. It feels solid and substantial and is just over 9 inches deep. However, the coating can flake off with rough use. Halfway up our list at number 5, you shouldn't have to worry about flaking or chemicals with the Norpro stainless steel, since it doesn't have a coating that can degrade over time. It won't rust and is tough to scratch, so you'll be able to use it for years to come. It's got a wide lip for easy handling and a shiny mirror finish. It's good value for the price. At number 4, a perforated insert comes with the Rachel Ray bakeware set to help you cook healthier meals. When you raise the inner tray, the fat drips through the holes and stays in the pan, leaving you with evenly baked food ready for slicing. It features a non-stick coating and a wide lip for lifting and rotating. It's oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The boxiki gourmet is made from silicone with a metal rim and handles. It comes with a recipe ebook for inspiration and is backed by a lifetime warranty. It has a textured bottom and can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The contents drop out unaided and it's easy to wipe clean. It's safe for the freezer too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for meatloaf pans, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, hand-painted with a floral motif. The Kingsbull home ceramic is suitable for daily use and sturdy enough to go from the freezer to the oven. It's dishwasher and microwave safe too. It's also stain and chip resistant and doesn't retain odors. The fluted rim complements the design. And coming in at number 1 on our list, along with the 1.5 quart glass dish, you get a BPA-free plastic lid with the Pyrex Easy Grab, which makes carrying it to a potluck easy. It's equipped with large, comfortable handles and backed by a 2-year warranty, and it won't absorb smells. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for meatloaf pans, or simply click beneath this video.